Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. In this episode I will show you how to make some super delicious pan-fried cheesy peas. Super easy and quite fast to make side dish that is pretty versatile, so I hope that you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are green peas. Here we have roughly 200 grams of frozen garden peas, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 clove of garlic pressed, a good handful of shredded Parmesan cheese, some butter, and this is optional, but we're also going to add a little bit of nutmeg. Let's do this. First of all, take a pan and put it on a fire. Take a good amount of butter and put it in there. Oops.
That was loud.
It was a bit more aggressive than expected. And let your butter melt. Once the butter has melted, add your onions and fry them until they start looking glazy. There we go. Now add your peas. Give everything a good stir and let it fry for about 4 minutes. Alright, now let's add in the garlic. Season it with some nutmeg. I forgot to mention in the ingredients, but also add some salt and some pepper to taste. Make sure not to over fry your garlic, otherwise it will become bitter. I've tasted it and my peas are done and everything is well seasoned. Now for the final step, add in the Parmesan cheese. Turn off your fire and give it a final stir so that the cheese melts into the peas. There you go. You have yourself some nice pan-fried cheesy peas. Present it in a nice bowl and just serve it up. If you want this dish to be a bit healthier, use olive oil instead of butter, for example, or just don't add Parmesan cheese. And as a finishing touch, you can also add a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. There you go.
Time for a test. Oh, it smells so good. Let's have a little bite. Oh, it's such a good combination. I know we made this with butter, and I know if you want to make it like healthier, you could use other oils, but the butter makes it really rich and full of flavor, and the Parmesan is just perfect with it. Also, the nutmeg is a nice seasoning and a nice touch. It's just a really nice side dish. I can imagine this being nice with like fish, with meat, with potatoes, with rice. So I think it's really versatile and just so delicious. So thank you guys for watching this episode. We really hope you enjoyed it. We still post a video every Wednesday for you to devour. So if you don't know that yet, don't forget to ring the bell. Thanks again for watching, and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye.